Fired up.
Fried up.
Yeah! Dodge Demon! Let's get it!
Welcome back to the channel, man. We're talking about PT Cruiser owners. Of course, that's what I'm working on right now. You PT Cruiser owners, look. Have you ever been in a grocery store and you hear a horn blowing on its own? Some of the PT Cruisers, the models 2006 and higher, have a tendency to stick. The horn switches stick inside the horn pad, or inside the airbag pad, the horn pad. It sticks. You push the button and it just stays on. Or in some cases, it'll blow on its own. See what I'm saying? So you don't have to replace the horn switches. You don't have to replace the horn pad. You don't even have to remove the horn pad. I'm gonna show you how to get in there and repair that, because I see a lot of people ordering horn switches for it. That switch is like 3 white circles that all it does is close the ground to allow the horn to blow. Your horn is sticking because of the switch is staying connected. The contacts are contacting. That's why your horn is continuing to blow. So when you push that pad, it just stays there and the horn continues to blow. What's supposed to happen is the pad's supposed to release itself, spring-loaded, release and open the circuit so the horn will stop blowing. In some cases, that's not happening. All right, so I'm gonna take the camera down and show you how I go by repairing it. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I use. All right. Okay, here's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some lubrication called spray white lube. You're gonna need a straw to get in there what I'm talking about. Now, you can get a better view of the tabs on my previous video that I did on horn pad removal. That's where I took the horn pad off, and I'll show you in depth those 3 tabs that need to be lubed up. But for the most part, I can't remove the horn pad on this car, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to lube that up to where your horn pad will not stick. Okay, when that horn pad stick, your horn just blows. Ooh. Matter of fact, it just blows. So we're gonna take this spray white lube. We're gonna use a straw. All right. Of course, put the straw on like this. This is what we're gonna use. Now I'm gonna take the camera down and show you exactly how to lube your horn pad. All right, right there. You hear it sticking? That's a horn pad sticking. In order to stop, you got to pull it up. That's how you stop it, but you shouldn't have to do all that. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So that's basically it, man. You take your straw, make sure you use a straw, and all you do is you got 3 holes, access holes to the horn pad tabs. Just spray this white lithium lube in there. See how I'm doing that? Just spray in there. It don't matter if you have a little excess spillover, just spray in there. Turn the steering wheel and get the other 2 holes, and then you spray in there on this one. Lube it up real good. Sure this lithium lube gonna make it to the tabs. And you turn the wheel and do that last hole. Spray in there, spray in there. Don't worry about the excess. Just clean it up when you're done. And that should do it, baby. Your horn pad should stop sticking. No more sticking. Okay, man, there you have it. That's it. That's all there is to it. See how easy that was? A little spray white lube. Spray in the holes, lube up the tabs, and that horn will not stick anymore, causing it to stay on. All right? I want to thank everybody for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.